guys.
Hello.
Yeah, we are the Unbreakables.
Yeah.
So today I made live. I was live. We went to IKEA for shopping. In IKEA they sell household items. So we did some shopping. So we are going to show you some of the things we shopped. So we bought this. I think everybody knows this. So we bought this. I'm going to use this in my fridge. I'll put here my tomatoes, pepper, things of the kind.
You.
Okay. So we bought two. So we bought these containers. We have something we are going to use this for. So we bought what? We bought this. Everybody knows this. Mulao. So we bought these. These are pillows. Babe, can you open one?
Okay.
These are pillows. They are what we bought them for our living room sofas. Yeah, so we are going to put them in our sofas so that when we are here, we are comfortable. So this is how they look like. Pillows for living room, but they go with this. I chose this. So these are pillow covers. Maybe open this. Pillow covers. So we bought 4 pillows for our sofa. So maybe we will get more next time, but we started with 4 pillows. So these are pillow covers. I chose this color. I don't know if you guys like it. We got 2 of these. Then wait. Show them this. This is also a pillow cover. Since we bought 4, so we want to have different colors. So I chose this. This is white. So they are 2. What's another one?
Yeah.
So they are 2. So this cover. Then we bought this. This is okay. So we got this thing, or I call it what? I think it looks like a scarf, but it's not a scarf. So they put this on sofas, on sofa.
You can sleep there.
Yeah, when like you're feeling cold, you're sleeping here. Maybe you came to watch TV and you felt sleepy. You don't need to go upstairs to bed to sleep. You can just cover yourself up with this. So this, we keep this on sofas, like on the side. You put it on the side like this. So we bought one. Really no. So we bought this. These are serviettes. Serviettes. Braden have that. Give them this so that they don't stop crying. Sorry. Put there so that they stop crying. Then we bought this. This is like a shoe rack with scissors.
Three. You can put
Oh, this is not a shoe rack. So this one, we put this in our closet. We have already something we use in our closet. We put like socks, sneakers in the closet. We already have other things, but we chose to take these 2. So we just bought 3 of them for start. Maybe let me save.